We are again in Shuzu factory, and I'm here to present to you the 825 DWQ version. When you look at this machine, really, it's a really nice machine. It's an upgrade of our previous 750H. And the amazing thing about it is, first, that this machine can come in 3 different configurations: DLQ, DPQ, and DWQ. The first thing you're going to notice on this machine is that the controller has been changed. We are using a deep sea controller, and this has really simplified our electricity and electrical wiring as well. When you look here at the board, you'll see how simple it is compared to the previous generation. It is really modern, simple, and easy to troubleshoot. And the great thing about this controller, it's giving us communication between the engine and the controller as well, which give us more flexibility and more safety, and we have more control of what's happening in the engine. We can see what's happening in the engine. On this machine, you see there is only one pressure regulator. It doesn't have 2 pressure regulators like the 900 because it's a single pressure machine. It's not a dual machine as well. This machine has been built for the Middle East. This is for our stock. It's available to be sold if you want it. It is coming with an aftercooler. This is the aftercooler, and here you can see the bypass. We can operate the aftercooler or bypass it as well, which is great for the applications that we are serving in the Middle East and Africa, where we didn't have that option. From a service point of view, you look, it's really simple. All the discharge valves or drains are from the same side. So when you are doing a service, you don't have to run around everywhere. You just have to drain from the same place, and you can do the service quickly on the machine. If we come from that side, what you will be noticing is how big are the door from a service perspective. Here you're going to see the filter and the water separator as well for the aftercooler, and you see it's really easy access. I'm a big guy, and you see I can go easily inside and do the service. So this is really, really good, and it's a great advantage when it comes to the service perspective. It has wide access doors, so when you're doing the service, it's easy to make the work without really feeling squeezed. And even if the machine was operating and it's hot, it's going to be much easier for you to do the job. When you look at this machine, you're going to see that it is equipped with a spark arrestor on the top. You see it, it's like the small muffler on the top. And then from the other side, I'll be showing you later on the inlet choke valve, or the Chowlin valve, like we call it in the Middle East. This machine, like we said, on the 900, it's coming with the plastic blade fan that has a very high efficiency, and actually it reduced our cooling power demand to run this cooling fan to 9.6 kilowatt instead of 16 or 17 on the old machine. It is coming with a standard battery disconnector switch with a pre-filter and a filter, microfilter for the fuel, so it can work in any kind of environment when the fuel is really not really that great. Well, from a service perspective, you see we have large access doors to the coolers, so we can do the service very quickly and very easy on this machine. From this side as well, we have ease of access to the coolers: water cooler, oil cooler, and intercooler. This is our plastic designed fuel tank that has the possibility of having remote connection. The standard machine will come with a remote fill, and here from the other side as well, you see how easily it is to access this machine and do the service on it. And this is the yellow part it's showing here. It is what I called previously the shut-off valve, the Chowlin valve, how we call it.